Yeah, Savage77. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Yeah. Yeah. I can feel the nature. I can feel what God put on this earth. I can hear I can see what's medicinal for me, both physically and mentally. Yeah, both of them, both the earth and heaven will be good for me. Yeah, I just love the light. I'm so happy that I'm trying to work my way out the dark. I'm really happy that I at least have some light in me, but sometimes I feel like it's been taken from me. I feel like I've been banned from the light. I feel like I've been banned from the light. I feel like I'm so mentally sick nowadays. I just love all the nature. I just love all the nature. I just love it all. Maybe not at all, maybe not all of it, but I love the nature.